Welcome to Syracuse, Sicily, where ancient legends still echo through sunlit streets and coastal ruins. From the island of Ortygia to Greek theaters carved in stone, we'll walk through over 2,000 years of history, all at your own pace. We begin our journey across the slender Ponte Santa Lucia. Just a few steps, but a crossing into another world. Now we're in Ortygia, Syracuse's ancient heart. The streets hum with a quiet energy, a blend of sunlight and stone. We arrive at the magnificent Piazza Duomo, where the facade of the Syracuse Cathedral rises like a layered history book. Columns from a Greek temple still hold up its Baroque skin. Step inside for a moment of calm. The air is cooler. The walls echo centuries of worship and wonder. Turn just to your right, and you'll see the Chiesa di Santa Lucia alla Badia. Its pink-toned Baroque curves cradle a rare painting of the saint by Caravaggio. Now glance across the square. There's the Palazzo Beneventano del Bosco, or what locals simply call La Secreta Palati. Once the seat of power, now an architectural whisper from the Spanish era. Take your time walking along these polished limestone streets. Every corner hides a small shop, perfect for a memento carved from lava rock or handmade Sicilian tiles. And just before we cross back over the bridge, stop at the Temple of Apollo. Even in ruin, those Doric columns remind us that Syracuse was once one of the greatest cities in the Greek world. We're now at the Syracuse train station. From here you have two directions. Head straight and you'll reach the Neapolis Archaeological Park in about 15 to 20 minutes on foot. But if you haven't yet seen Ortygia, just turn the other way. The walk to Piazza Duomo will take you about 25 minutes. Not in the mood to walk? Taxis are lined up right outside. We begin at the ear of Dionysius, a towering cave carved into limestone. Its shape creates an eerie, perfect echo. Legend says the tyrant Dionysius used it to spy on prisoners by listening to their whispers. Step inside. Your voice might just carry across centuries. Nearby is the Grotta dei Cordari. Once used by rope makers, its damp interior provided ideal humidity for twisting thick cords. Keep walking, and you'll reach Latomia del Paradiso, a lush green quarry with vertical rock faces. These were prison quarries, carved by enslaved hands. And now, the jewel of Neapolis, the Greek theater of Syracuse. Entirely carved into the hillside, it could hold up to 15,000 spectators. Imagine the voice of a single actor, amplified through perfect acoustics, reaching every seat. Today, it still hosts open-air plays each summer, right where Aeschylus once stood. If you exit the Greek theater and cross the road, a short walk brings you to the Roman Amphitheater of Syracuse. Built in the 3rd century AD, this arena once echoed with the clash of gladiators and the roar of crowds. Though less intact than its Greek cousin, you can still make out the seating tiers and central platform carved directly into the rock. Just next to it lies the altar of Hiero II, once the largest known altar in the Greek world. Measuring nearly 200 meters long, it was used for massive public sacrifices. Today, only its foundation remains, but standing here, you can almost sense the scale of ancient ceremonies. Neapolis Archaeological Park is open daily, with hours varying by season, usually from morning to late afternoon. You'll find the latest info and ticket links down in the description. Consider booking online to skip the queues, especially in summer. But our journey doesn't end here. We'd love to hear from you. Is there a particular moment that stood out to you? Let us know in the comments below. If you like narrated travel like this, subscribe and tap the bell to explore more places, one story at a time, so you don't miss the next city walk. Our travel audiobooks are now available. Explore iconic destinations through immersive storytelling and preview a full chapter for free. Tap the link to listen now.